Good morning, guys. It's a little past 8 a.m. on Saturday morning. It's St. Patrick's Day. Today's vlog is going to be a little bit different. Me and my buddy Justin, who I'll link to his channel down below. Go subscribe to him as well. We're going to Grand Haven to fly his drone that he got. He got the DJI Spark. So I'm going to throw some of that footage into this video here. If you're only here for that footage, at some point I'll just put it down right here. Just skip to this time. So yeah, should be a pretty exciting day. GV sunrises. I'm totally on the middle of the sidewalk right now. So I'm picking up Justin from that apartment right there. Just got to Grand Haven and we'll be going all the way out there. We have liftoff. Oh, that was awesome. So I think we're gonna head out to the pier and get some cinematic shots of that. It's pretty cool.